Alpine's Hemp Company. Gummies, seltzers, syrups, and more. Treat yourself to the best.
I'm Ralph Mangum here on the WHKY News, where it's time for Community Focus. The City of Hickory's Sarah Killian has information on baseball and softball, some block grants, and the city's holiday schedule. She's followed by Arianna Mack with the A&E Bulletin Board, which includes news from Redhawk Publications, the Science Center, HCT, and Arts Culture Catawba. Sarah is first.
Joining us in Community Focus for the Arts and Entertainment Bulletin Board, City of Hickory Communications Specialist, Sarah Killian. How are you?
I'm doing well. Hope you are.
Good. Coordinating once again without an email or any kind of notification, I do want to add. But bring us up on youth baseball and softball registration.
Absolutely. It may still be cold out there, but things are definitely heating up for our youth sports leagues. Registration is now open for the City of Hickory's youth baseball and softball programs. Participation is free to all City of Hickory residents, and of course non-residents can also participate by paying a $40 non-resident fee. Online registration for both youth sports programs is available at hickory.recdesk.com. Don't delay, register online today to play ball through Hickory's Parks, Recreation, and Sports Tourism Department.
Sounds so much fun and right in time. Funding for nonprofits, tell us about that.
Yes, this is a great opportunity. The City of Hickory is now accepting applications for nonprofit Community Development Block Grant, or CDBG funds. These funds are used for grants ranging from $5,000 to $15,000 for public services programs that specifically benefit low and moderate income people in the City of Hickory in support of its housing and community development goals. Applications are available on the city's website and must be submitted by Friday, February 28th. We will have some public meetings to learn more about the city's community development block grant programs and the grant application requirements, and they will be held on Thursday, January 23rd at 6 p.m. at the Ridgeview Branch Library, and then again on Thursday, February 6th at 6 p.m. at Hickory City Hall. For more information, you can contact Annabeth Walker in the Community Development Division at 828-323-7414, or her email is awalker@hickorync.gov.
Thank you for bringing us up on that. And I know we have another holiday coming up. Tell us about some MLK Day closures.
Yes, City of Hickory offices, libraries, that's both branches, and all recreation centers will be closed on Monday, January 20th, in observance of the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday, but our solid waste collection services will operate on a normal schedule that day.
Of course, and how can we stay connected with the City of Hickory?
As always, for more news and information about what's happening in your City of Hickory, visit hickorync.gov and follow us on social media.
Thanks so much for joining us, Sarah. And now I'll add a few more events coming up in your Hickory Metro. Redhawk Publications has announced 2 upcoming author appearances in Catawba County on Tuesday, January 21st at 7 p.m. Join author Austin Alran at the Sherrills Ford Terrell Branch Library as he shares insights into the writing process and reads excerpts from his novel, The Legends of the Isle of Cats. Patty Thompson, Redhawk Publications Acquisitions Editor, will also be on hand to provide an engaging update on the world of publishing in the 21st century. Then on Friday, January 24th at 6 p.m., don't miss a special book event with novelist Rhonda Browning White at downtown Hickory's Barley Market. Rhonda will read selections from her novel, The Big Empty, and discuss the craft of writing about Appalachia and environmental themes. For more information about these events, please get in touch with Patty Thompson at her email, pthompson994@cvcc.edu. Calling all astronomers, join Catawba Science Center on Saturday, January 25th for a full day of astronomical fun for the beginner and advanced. The regional gathering of amateur astronomers, aka Bob Fest, is a free in-person event open to anyone with an interest in astronomy. Share your mutual love for the stars at Bob Fest 2025. For more information, visit catawbascience.org. WHKY.org. Coming to Hickory Community Theatre, Ready, Set, Fry. It's time for the annual Hot Wang Festival in Memphis, Tennessee, and Cordell Crutchfield knows he has the wings that'll make him king. Supported by his beau, Dwayne, and their culinary clique, the new wing order, Cordell is marinating and firing up his frying pan in a bid to reclaim the crispy crown. When Dwayne takes in his troubled nephew, however, it becomes a recipe for disaster. Suddenly, a first-place trophy isn't the only thing Cordell risks losing. Get your tickets at hickorytheatre.org. Arts Culture Catawba presents Projects Pool Grant virtual workshop on January 30th at 9:45 a.m. and continues till 10:30 a.m. The virtual workshop is for nonprofit organizations. Nonprofit organizations are awarded grants for projects that encourage innovative arts projects and will enhance and strengthen the cultural community and broaden the services offered to Catawba County citizens. That is all for the Arts and Entertainment Bulletin Board. Get out and explore your Hickory Metro. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thank you, Arianna, and thanks to Sarah as well. The Green Room Community Theatre has announced the cancellation of its upcoming production of The Watsons Go to Birmingham 1963 due to unforeseen circumstances. According to a statement released by the theater, unexpected challenges have made it impossible to proceed with the production as scheduled. The show had been scheduled for late February and early March. The theater remains committed to bringing the show to the stage in a future season. Guest director Sidney Horton has expressed continued enthusiasm for leading the production when it returns. For more, contact the Green Room 828-464-6583 or info@thegreenroomtheater.org. That wraps up today's Community Focus. On behalf of Rob Eastwood, Arianna Mack, Jason Savage, and Sarah Killian, I'm Ralph Mangum. Thanks for joining us on the WHKY News.